Highway Code Rule 93. Slow down and if necessary stop if you are dazzled by bright sunlight. Rule 94. At night in poor visibility, do not use tinted glasses, lenses or visors if they restrict your vision. Rule 95. Alcohol and drugs. Do not drink and drive as it will seriously affect your judgment and abilities. In England and Wales, you must not drive with a breath alcohol level higher than 35 micrograms per 100 millilitres of breath or blood. Alcohol level of more than 80 milligrams of 100 millilitres of blood. In Scotland, the legal limits are lower. You must not drive with a breath alcohol level of more than 22 micrograms per 100 millilitres of breath, or a blood alcohol level of more than 50 milligrams of 100 millilitres of blood. Alcohol will give a false sense of confidence, reduce coordination and slow down reactions, affect judgment of speed, distance and risk, reduce your driving ability even if you are below the legal limit, take time to leave your body. You may be unfit to drive in the evening after drinking at lunchtime or in the morning after drinking the previous evening. The best solution is not to drink at all when planning to drive, because any amount of alcohol affects your ability to drive safely. If you're going to drink, arrange another means of transport.